something that I genuinely love doing with my girls is just talking through my eyes. Because I feel like no one else would get what I'm trying to say.
Kopamapen, upper, rapid, hapa, tapown, ipif, yupu, upper, tappa, stapan, wapotapayabam, sipe.
Yep.
The fact that I did not get dressed, I was looking like a hooligan.
As we always do.
One thing about Ritika though, उसका रोज फर्स्ट डे
उसका हमेशा मिलो first day.
कोई भी every time she's
Yeah.
a little bit pissed off मेरा फर्स्ट डे यार मेरा first हमेशा one thing about women we catch vibes so quickly
You know what? Even if you're getting it for a week, it should be like tea, where you can get to control it.
it's a very good observation. Unfortunately that's not how we're built.
I know, but I'm just speaking to God right now.
For sure
The future things that He makes.
yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Dhritika.
I am Zia
I'm Srishti.
And I'm Sanjana.
And
Women
we-
Shram.
Okay.
So mean. Like,
Fine.
this is not the Mean Girls show. This is the Besharam show. Okay, that's enough. Let's all be girls.
No, of
Yeah.
course.
Yeah,
If it is anything that we are, the first thing that is that we're girls.
We're girls,
The
all
own-
four of us.
Anybody that has ever said the words "I am a girl's girl" is probably not a girl's girl, and I've seen that with my own.
Zia,
two eyes.
I do not agree with your views.
Yeah, because you suck, and you don't have good views.
She has the most views.
Like 3.5
She has like
million.
3.5
It is 4
plus.
now. It's 4 now.
Oh,
okay.
She checks every day. It's
Huh.
her
Yeah.
like morning prayer.
Yeah.
It's a daily dose of
Yeah.
Daily dose of dopamine.
dopamine.
Yeah.
DDD. Daily dose
She
of
gets that
dopamine.
DDD
Yeah.
every morning.
Ooh, yeah. Love that in the first 5 minutes we're talking about all this. Anybody who wants to leave would have already left.
But yeah, I
staying.
think something that I genuinely love doing with my girls is just talking through my eyes. Because I feel like no one else would get what I'm trying to say other than my
It's
girls.
giving Madhuri Dixit in a Bollywood movie. It's giving Aishwarya Rai.
Like, yeah, they could
Yeah.
seduce you with their eyes, but we can like trash talk also with our
Yeah.
eyes.
for sure.
And nobody would know a thing.
They could seduce
would
you
not. They would
with their eyes because they were women, I would argue. If they
What's
were
your
men, they
argument?
could not have done that in like a Bollywood
Oh, yeah,
song.
yeah,
Because
for real.
women have a different kind of language when we're talking with our
Yeah,
eyes.
it-
That's why there's the song Aankhon Ki. Gustakhia.
Gustakhia.
Maaf ho.
Wow. That was the true meaning of the song. I realized that today. But yeah, other than even talking through eyes, I don't know if this is a universal thing that girls go through, but talking through in P language.
I think this big
Let's not prepare. Let's not pretend that we've not spent like at least a good 2 years of our life literally
I'm not going to
finessing.
pretend. I love it.
We have finessed it. Like,
Yep.
trust
Yeah,
me,
yeah,
there was
yeah.
a time when we would exclusively speak in
And
P
we
language.
get-
It was-
Yeah, and we used to trash talk about the person in front
In
of
front
us.
of them.
Literally,
But then like
and they would
it's
they
so
wouldn't get
easy.
it.
I'm worried some people that we've trash talked are watching this.
I
don't care.
It's
And
so
like,
because they
easy
don't because they don't know what we said about them. We were like,
I think they
yeah,
figured
pa
it
yupu
out.
sapak,
It's
vipi do
easy
bola
to
pai ke
decode.
po.
it is very easy to
But it's
decode.
still fun.
But
Yeah, because-
after a while, I think we've gotten even so quick,
Fluent.
We
Yeah,
live
yeah,
over
yeah.
very quick.
Whippy apa super quick.
Bipit.
It's not
Apa
even
hai?
Apai no
Apa
pura
papan
paid.
Kopamapen, upper, rapid, hapa, dapown, ipif, yupu, uppan, tappa, stapan, wapotapayabam, sipe.
Yep. Apan sapam dipi trapan slip it.
Yepes.
Ipif yupu kapan.
Yep. I can still remember it was classes where my parents were paying good money for me to get educated. I was going there and learning P language, and my first word,
Yep.
Fapakipin.
Kippin. Oh my god.
Remember?
Fuck,
And then
I
I was like,
remember.
hapa.
Yeah.
That was good. That was iconic.
Pepe ripi apai kopa nipik.
I
Papa
think
Lapit,
we
we
should
be
stop
happy.
now.
We should
Yeah,
stop.
We should really start. They have.
It's become a language now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like we've
Like Dothraki who?
Who's Dothraki?
It's a Game of Thrones reference.
Only
I'm
you know.
sorry.
yeah,
Yeah.
you know. But like it's not only English now, but it's also Hindi.
Hmm.
Hindi में भी निकल जाता है P language.
It's so convenient when you're traveling and you feel like the driver, like the taxi driver, is kind of shady. You can just speak in like Hindi P language. ये पे थोपड़ा pasapa.
शेपेडी भी है पे.
Chuputiya pa lapak lapak.
No, I completely get.
No, dude.
Yeah.
I know. नहीं समझेगा उनको.
नहीं समझता
नहीं
बहुत
समझेगा
लोगों को
उनको
नहीं
भाई।
समझता.
Pata nahi, bhai.
Once-
My dad knows how to speak it. They used to do F language.
My
when-
dad
I'm
used to
watching
do-
it right
Dude,
now.
My friend,
Yeah.
her grandmom puts G and T or like T and H.
There's also an F language or something.
FT
there-
also.
तो मैंने अभी क्या
There is
बोला?
cho also. There
There's
is
like-
cho also, I guess. But that
But
does-
nothing beats P language.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once,
beats P
once my sister and I, we were talking in P language on a station. And then someone who was sitting besides us, they were like asking us. We were not in Maharashtra. We were out of Maharashtra. So then they were like, ये कौन सा language है? आप कहाँ से हो?
Oh, cute. You probably can do Marathi also.
We're from
in P.
P-Town.
Oh my god.
Pizza, maybe. Culture. I'm not gonna say it because I don't say it, guys. I don't say the N word.
No.
Neither should you.
Yeah.
One more thing I could not stop thinking about when I thought of peak girlhood was the fact that I did not get dressed. I was looking like a hooligan all
As we
week,
always do.
all week, just so I can look extra good today.
Yeah, you have
gotta
to go
marinate the freaking ugly.
Exactly.
And you should have seen me all week. Like, besides going to work, I was all like, you should not have seen me.
I think you need to go through that ugly phase to then like shine through and like,
yeah.
And have a glow up.
yeah.
Yeah.
You
And the
really
glow up
do.
isn't like through the years, it's just like a week.
Yeah,
And
it's
it
like
shows.
a couple of days.
It shows.
Like you're mentally ready to now step out of your shell and like enough of the
living
rotting.
shit out
Yes.
But
Love
makeup will always look good once you've not done it for like
for a very long time.
Yeah, true,
Yeah.
true, true, true.
like it just hits like
I didn't
Eye
know.
twitching hitting.
I didn't know I could look like that.
Words have been said
Yes.
through Zia's eyes.
Yeah.
they have. But there's one side of me where I'm like I'm looking like a total Neanderthal, and then the other side is like
A Homo sapien.
a Homo sapien. Yes, no homo though. And then the other side is like, okay, yeah, I'm going to the gym, but I really need blush. I can't go to the gym without blush. I look too dead.
I think-
Yeah.
Why is there a fucking fly? Are you trying to be part of the girlhood?
She
might
you
be.
call
She
yourself a
might be.
girl's girl.
Yeah.
But what if it's a guy?
Are you?
Trying to be-
Check.
Out.
Yeah. No, but I think I cannot. I love blush and I just cannot step out of the house.
Blush
without
and
it.
mascara. I think.
Right?
Like,
You can't
yeah.
put mascara at the gym. You literally
Yeah.
gonna run down.
Yeah.
Waterproof.
Waterproof.
It doesn't. It's still.
Yeah, but like,
you
blush and
have a lot
mascara.
of fallout over here.
So Sushi sent a reel on the group yesterday, and it was like just two gym
Gym
besties,
girlies.
and it was one chick, and she was doing an incline treadmill, and then the other was doing a sprint, and it's like.
It's so us.
It's literally so us. It's
literally
I
us.
literally looked at it and I was smiling at it for 3 minutes. I was like, yes, somebody said it. Because Sushi and I, whenever we go to the gym together, she's always sprinting for some reason. I'm like, Sushi, that's not going to burn anything. And I'm always on the incline and Sushi's like, Zia, that's not going to burn anything.
Yeah.
And we both have very strict views about them.
Yeah.
You know,
And when we go to the gym, no, it's like for me, she'll make me do like heavy weights, and I can't do weights. And she'll just like go and increase the weights. I'm like, no, Diya, I can't do it. She's like, come on, you can do it. And then when we are doing like
gaslight her.
when we are
so-
doing high intensity workouts, that time I'm like, come on, Zia, you can jump. And she's
Yeah.
like, no, it's too high for me. No, you can jump. It's not
Yeah.
that
I
high
think
for
One
you.
thing you should do is just look at each other and say this together. I am right.
You're wrong.
we are best friends.
We are still best friends.
We are still
I
best
think that
friends.
just solves majority of the
No,
problems.
but it's
Yes.
good only. Now, whenever we go together, I get to do high intensity, which is actually high intensity, and she actually gets to lift some weights. Babe, she cannot do 12 reps with 2.5s.
I can't.
She can't.
I can't.
How?
I mean, you are doing it right now.
I'm doing 5 kgs right now.
slave woman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
2.5? 2.5.
Yep,
Get that,
there they
get
are.
that.
There they are.
Show to
They're
them.
actually heavy. Like, do it. My ears
Take
kind
it
of
out
hurt.
and do it.
I'm not going to take it out. I have to put that back in. But yeah,
Okay.
look at it.
Yep.
Anyway. What was I saying? Circling back.
I think even when you are like working out with your besties in the gym, the one thing that is like very constant among all the girls is like stain check.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I think earlier when she used to not come to the same gym as I used to, I would have like, there was barely any girl that would come during the time I would visit. But even if there was this one girl, I would literally come down to like ask this one girl, can you just like check if I have any stains on my pants?
And
This
trust
is not
a
just like girl best friends, it's just girls in general.
Yeah.
Like
Trust
they
a
will,
stranger.
if you don't ask, they will keep a check.
Yeah.
If there is a stain, they will tell you.
Just for the record, every girl is looking at another girl's butt.
I
I'm joking.
No, I
I'm
genuinely
joking.
do.
Yeah, me too.
No, I mean, I don't think that's
I'm not
wrong.
looking for a stain. I'm just generally like, oh,
adoring
Good,
her.
yeah.
That's a
I
great
do that.
ass.
Yeah.
I think, Sushi, it was you, right? That you were once in a restaurant and then you realized you got your period and you asked a stranger if she had a pad. And she did not.
For some reason, this shit always happens with Srishti. So that day we were at Palladium and she came out of the washroom.
She's saying the same story.
No. She's saying about the time when you were in Starbucks and this lady went out of her way to call her friend.
No, she herself went, got the pad for Srishti, came back and gave it to her.
Yeah, and bought her a chocolate also. And then the
I
other
remember
day, India final, we were at Palladium and she comes out of the washroom and she asks me, "Yeah, do you have a pad?" And I say, "I don't have a pad." This lady, she just overheard us. She said, "You need a pad? I'll give it to
and
you."
then she gave it to me.
Yeah, it's like a nice thing, universal thing that we all just collectively know where we have to step
That's
up.
one
Exactly.
insecurity that most girls have. I don't know why, but stains are just such a taboo.
I know, right?
I mean, I know why, but misogyny and patriarchy and all the
But it
bad
shouldn't be.
things.
But I get it, okay? I understand, like, no, I'm not talking about the patriarchy and, like, stain being a taboo. I'm talking about periods, okay? I understand that it's important for female body. It's very
natural.
and everything. But yaar,
It's
bas
a
ho gaya
sign
yaar,
of the healthy body.
Mera subscription cancel kar do abhi.
Yes,
Like, yeah,
for
see,
sure.
I know you're
I
trying
want
to
to
tell me.
unsubscribe now.
I know you're trying to tell me I'm not pregnant, but why are you reminding me for a week?
I know.
Yeah. You have
One day
PCOS,
is
no?
enough.
You should be glad.
No, I am very, very glad I'm getting it. But like once a month.
Once a month only.
No, one day.
One day in a month. One day in a month,
is
not
enough.
for the entire week.
Yeah.
Remind me, say hi.
And
go
even
back.
if you
Go back
want to
inside,
come,
no?
if you want to come for a week, don't come with all the pain.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
one
Do
thing,
not come with all the pain.
one thing about Ritika though, उसका रोज फर्स्ट डे
उसका हमेशा मिलो first day.
कोई भी anytime she's
Yeah.
a little bit pissed off मेरा फर्स्ट डे यार मेरा फर्स्ट हमेशा
I think you use that as a free pass to get annoyed at us.
I mean haven't we all used it like teacher को ऐसे lecturer
Yeah.
को ma'am sorry severe cramps
Severe cramps. And she knows.
बस
She knows it's hurtful. So like,
इसके महीने में तीसरी बार severe cramp कैसे यार
मैं तो लेक्चर्स में से मुझे फ्री अटेंडेंस भी मिला है इसकी वजह से मैम बहुत दुख
और
रहा है
you know what?
मैम को नहीं करना सर कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे
sir will not ask questions. Be like, "Acha,
But
theek
you
hai,
know
theek hai,
what?
go home,
Even
fine."
if you're getting it for a week, it should be like pee, where you can get to control it.
it's a very good observation unfortunately that's not how we're built
I know, but I'm just speaking to God right now. That he make.
I want to put this out there for people who think that girls' schools are not as equivalently crazy as boys' school.
They're wrong.
Y'all
Very
are
wrong.
so
They're
wrong.
wrong.
Y'all
Yeah.
are so fucking wrong, bro.
Our school was evil, okay? Evil? Your school was evil.
Do you remember?
The girls would like unhook brass and
Yeah.
bra
का strap फटक से
Yeah, यहाँ पे.
ठप करके.
For
Leave
the,
it, leave it, please.
for everyone that's watching, we all went to a girls' school. She
All
went to a
girls'
different
school, yeah.
school. We three went to the
But
same
same
school.
Convent schools, all four of us.
Yeah, convent schools. We're convent girlies.
And when we so we had
Girly with its own trauma, by the way.
Girly.
I feel like if somebody did that shit to me, I would punch their face
Yep.
because I was that kind of person in school. No longer am I that person. Also, I didn't have many people that gave a shit about me, so they didn't even care to bully me. The teachers were busy bullying me. So, no, honestly, the first bully you've ever had is your teacher, and I can frickin' prove it.
And this happened only in convent schools.
Only
huh?
in convent.
Only
Yeah,
I had
only
like
in convent schools.
a group of girls that were in hindsight a very bad influence on me. And this one time I didn't get to go to my open day because I was visiting somewhere. My parents went without me. And the teacher was like, Zia's very disrespectful and she does not know how to behave or something like that. And I got into so much trouble. My mom made me stop watching Lily Singh. I got
Because she
into-
thought I was an influence on you.
she thought that all these YouTubers you're watching are like a
Oh my
bad
God.
influence on you, and you have to stop. And you know what?
Little did
was
auntie
such a-
know. I should be on YouTube yourself one day.
She saw it coming.
I didn't even realize that. I mean, good call because she was on the demise, Lily Singh. Shouldn't say that, but no, she was on the
Damage is
demise like
done.
as if like
for with her content,
with her
right?
content.
With her content,
She's
yeah.
still very much alive and doing
yeah,
well.
yeah.
Yeah, I know.
I was no longer
Babe.
interested in her content. At that time, I was reading her book, bro. It was insane.
Oh, I bought that book.
You
what was
never
that?
read it though.
Yeah, I never.
Boss
read
like
it.
boss, right?
How to be a boss.
How to be a boss.
How to be a bouse.
How to be a boss.
I remember when I finished that book, I cried.
Oh.
Because it was bad.
No, I was in the last chapter was very
But bro, nothing will beat the fact that Dhritika had her Instagram username.
I, Dhritika, I.
Even
She did that.
Superwoman got rid of it, bro.
Yeah,
She
it's
had it
okay.
for the longest time.
I know she just changed
It's okay.
it.
It's
I think.
fine. Everyone has a phase, man.
Yeah, no.
Your face lasted like 8 years, babe.
Shut up.
Yeah,
No, it didn't.
it did.
She's not even been on Instagram for 8 years.
She has.
Really? I
Sure.
don't know.
We are old, bro.
Superwoman looks like a, I mean, Lily's thing.
Lilith thing.
Ben Chopud.
बहन छोड़ ना यार.
No, but Lily Singh looks like a girl's girl.
Why are you giggling when you say that?
She is a girl's girl, bro.
just
You
like-
aren't a girl's girl.
You are not. Why did you do that in school?
वो नहीं डालेंगे story, please.
I feel like
Both
वो
very confident.
insecurity जो होती है ना वो ऐसे
लोगों को
convent school
मार
में
देते
बोलना
हैं.
चाहिए.
By नहीं, but convent school से ही आती है.
I had this one like
Other subject.
and the teacher, the teacher of that subject, she just did not like me. Okay,
sure.
I was her scapegoat for that
I don't
entire
remember
year.
who was the teacher? The principal, right?
No.
There was another
Remember
teacher.
the one who taught us AV? We had that
Oh,
folder.
I know who
okay,
she's
yeah.
talking about. I know.
So she just did not like me. And whenever she used to enter, she used to be like, oh my God, this Sanjana is creating ruckus again, no? Sanjana, go stand out. I hadn't done anything. She just came in. None of the kids said anything. She just assumed. Sanjana must have done this, you stand out. So I had to stand out in multiple of her classes.
Okay.
And yeah, she used to just target me. And even if she used to make me sit inside, like once in a blue moon, if she made me sit inside, I would still be called on. I would still be like, like, what the
She
fuck are you
just
doing?
hated you.
She just hated me.
Damn.
To the point where she didn't even, she put in a false tip to the principal saying that Sanjana is not a good fit to become a prefect.
She is not a girl's girl.
She is not a girl's
She
girl.
is
The irony
not
is
a
that
girl's
she
girl.
actually passed out from our school.
She did pass out and I became a prefect. in the end.
She were a mistress of discipline.
I was
MOD.
Literally the most disciplined person in our batch.
It still counts. I don't
Boss
care.
bitch.
I was
no,
a
it
boss bitch.
obviously counts, but you
Yeah.
were made you pay because you were not disciplined, and you go around and become the mistress of discipline.
Yeah, I literally
Bro, I
become
was
the
told-
epitome of discipline at that point in
I
school.
swear to God.
Bro, I was told that because at that point of time in school, I wanted to be an IAS officer. And because I kind of helped my friend get out of a situation that she could get in trouble, I kind of helped her to get out of it. So one of my teachers, she called me and she was like, one day you will be a very corrupt officer.
She is not a girl's girl.
For sure.
She is not a girl's girl.
She said I will
all
be
of
a
our
corrupt
teachers were
officer.
not
That was-
girls' girls.
And
None
then,
of them
and then
were.
this one teacher, no. Okay, this is a kind of a funny story. Okay, so I feel like she had a short-term memory or something.
Can you say her name in P language?
Yeah.
No, po.
Okay.
Eighth, she was teaching maths and she was the supervisor at that time. And she would very rarely come to our class. Okay, very rarely she would come.
So she wouldn't teach math.
she wouldn't teach maths.
And then she would hurry in the end. Huh?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
So
This
once-
is what happens.
So once,
That class that was on the last floor and that was the most mischievous class.
yeah,
class, na?
8th.
I was on the other class, other side of that.
Yeah, and you all would get shouting because of
I
us.
couldn't get less. I was sleeping up there.
Yeah. I know.
So she comes to the class, she starts teaching, and of course, ट्यूशन में सब पढ़ाया हुआ है.
Yes.
तो मैं अपना बकचोदी कर रही हूँ. And I'm just like chilling with my friends talking, and then she comes up to me and she's like, "You are creating a lot of nuisance in my class.
Ruckus.
Ruckus in my class.
Ruckus.
You will go.
That's
and
so convent school coded.
I swear to God. She was like, you will go and stand outside with your gang. Me with
Gang.
Your
Me
gang.
with-
We understood who your gang is.
Yeah,
we
with
know, we know.
2-3 of my friends. We are standing outside the door. And she had like 2 lectures back to back. Okay.
So
after
that
the-
day she decided to come.
Yeah. So after the first lecture, within like 15-20 minutes, she made us stand outside the class. After the first lecture got over, she's like, "Why are you guys standing outside?
Wow.
Are?
Y'all are so annoying."
Valid.
I would say she's not a girl's girl, but I think she just has dementia.
Short-term memory.
Short-term memory loss.
Yeah.
And then we all are like, "Bhai, pagal wagal hai."
है भाई है.
You probably
मतलब
had,
gaslighting.
like, I don't
And
know
dementia.
your teachers, but I'm sure you've also had such
No,
a...
there was always like this one teacher. She's been my class teacher, I think, for 2 years, I think, consecutively. And like so now she knows all of us inside out. Like our divisions did not really
class.
interchange. We only had
Oh.
2 divisions, right? So it
Bro,
never,
that's
they
so
did
bad.
they never swapped people. It's
Okay.
like B to B, A to A, whatever.
That's
shit.
bad.
That's actually amazing in the last years of school.
Yeah.
Okay, no.
Yeah.
fair.
Because
Exactly.
exactly.
Yeah.
That supervisor
तू
knows
क्या बोल
she
रही है? हम साथ में.
that supervisor knows she separated all 4 of us.
Bro, we used to be
one
scared
in
of that, you
one
know?
in B, one in C,
We'd
one
be
in
scared
D.
of that कि भाई दोस्तों
And
को
it was
अलग
very
भेज देंगे.
bad.
You
But like मेरे
remember-
स्कूल में कभी हुआ ही नहीं
Do you
ऐसा interchanging. It
remember-
hardly happened.
The anxiety we used to feel in the first year of school where the list used to be put out of the class.
Oh.
Class teacher कौन है?
Like you
Class
see
teacher
your,
कौन
you used to
है?
see your name and see your best friend's name. Are we together? No, we're not. Next division. ठीक है, चलेगा.
हम
Short
लोग को
break में
that
देखेंगे.
never
हम लोग को तो
happened.
पता
Really?
I was like, okay,
I mean-
it's just a division.
था. What?
I mean, I was
To
very...
me, I think
Yeah,
that
me too.
happened in 10th. And then I was very anxious because I was on a different floor than whatever friends I had. Turns out that it was good that we were not in the same class because turns out we were not friends.
Yeah, for you. In your case, it was different because
Yeah.
you grew out of them.
Yeah.
So
was.
there are some people from school who, even though I'm not friends with them today, I don't hold a grudge against them. So
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
retrospect, I don't mind.
We never found each other's names on those lists, but we were always together.
But we were always together.
What were you saying? I'm sorry, I think we cut you off.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, there was this one teacher. She's been my class teacher for 2 years, okay?
Okay.
And one of my friends back then, she got thyroid, okay?
Okay.
And during open day, like her mom, when you come, like her mom, she came for the open day and she was like, listen, my daughter has thyroid, so she might like feel a little sick at times during the day. So like just let her be.
Okay.
No, like don't like उसको क्लास के बाहर मत भेजना. Don't like question her कि क्या चल रहा है,
yeah,
whatever.
yeah.
Just let
Just
her
believe
be.
her.
She'll be fine.
Yeah.
With her medicines and everything. And all that happened. And then we like normal lecture, period चालू है. Periods चालू है. And this friend of mine, she like just puts her head down, okay? And it's her lecture. Like,
That teacher, though.
it's her period. Sorry, it's her period. She puts her head down. And this teacher, she's like, why is your head down? And she's like,
The
"Ma'am,"
same teacher that was
the same teacher.
explained.
Exactly, the same
Okay.
teacher. And my friend's like, "Ma'am, my mom spoke to you about this." She's like, yeah, I know you have thyroid. Like, she announces it to the entire class. And she was
Fuck
so
no.
conscious of it.
Fuck no.
She
Fuck
was
no.
so conscious of it.
Fuck
And then
no, that's bad.
She just like, she broke down so bad. She just left the classroom. She went to the washroom, and she's still one of my bestest friends.
Okay.
So like, I went after her and I was like, listen, it's fine. Don't enter class till she leaves. I'll stay here with you. And then like, I like, tried
Pacified
to
her.
Yeah, and then she was better.
Yeah,
That's
This
so
one teacher,
bad.
all of us collectively hate. Like, I don't think anybody from my batch or my class would like has a good thing to say about her.
that
She's
is
that
not
is
a girl's
genuinely
girl.
bad.
You know,
she
I like always fat shame girls.
Yeah.
Like,
That's
so
one
fat,
thing that was
stop
very
eating.
prominent. Yeah.
Stop wearing those short
What?
skirts and shit. I was like, listen, your uniform is a skirt.
You built this. Your school built
Exactly.
this. You are wearing
That's
literally
one
what you told
kind
us
of
to.
Exactly,
teacher
man.
that's like announces it to the world.
Yeah.
And then I had this teacher in 3rd standard, and you guys know I have a problem with water and water coming out of my body. And I actually had this problem in 3rd standard for like the first time, I think. And my mom, she was quite worried. She went and told my teacher, and she's like, make sure that she actually drinks her water and doesn't like throw it away.
Okay.
So that teacher used to check on me every single day before I left school. Okay, like, show me your water. Did you fill it up from the filter?
Aw.
That was a nice thing.
Yeah, man. You really need teachers like those.
Yeah, even I had, so I shifted houses when I was in 4th standard, and it was a major change because till like 10 years of my life, I was in one place, and then
Yeah, it's a sudden
I was
change.
I was living in a joint family, and then we had to shift to live, the 4 of us, and I was going through separation anxiety,
Yeah.
and at that point of time, I shifted from 4th standard to 5th standard also. So it's like primary se secondary
Yeah,
bhi
yeah.
ho raha hai, and I'm leaving my house
Major
also.
Pencil to pen.
Pencil to pen, bhai. Big change.
Huge. I saw this reel. I'll send it to you guys.
Yeah, it was when that pencil to pen used to happen. It was like, मेरी selection हो गई, मेरी selection हो गई.
No, this guy was saying that. This guy was saying that pencil was so wholesome. Why did
wholesome.
they let that go from us?
Yeah, no.
Jaane de.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I was I think I developed separation anxiety during that time. So then my parents were like constantly, because I would want to come home. Like I would just go to the school and I would call my parents and I would want to come home in every 2 hours. So then my parents spoke to the teacher and then they told her that she has this problem. And then that ma'am, that miss
Teacher.
Yeah,
teacher,
Miss.
she was honestly very sweet to me. She handled me very nicely.
Exactly.
During times, yeah, she would get irritated. Of course, anyone would.
Yeah.
But then most of the time, she genuinely took care of me like
Aw.
very well.
Very nice.
Yeah, and then when I wouldn't make friends in the beginning till like 5th standard, she would then make me sit with, the people that she thought are good for me. And then she was like, why don't you sit with her? Why
Which
don't you
was?
talk to her?
You remember that?
Yeah.
How were they actually like?
Yeah.
Oh, they were nice.
She was looking out for you. Nice.
So, again, classes में हमको सब कराते थे. And this dude was teaching, school में, he was teaching, करता ने कर्म को कर्म से,
संप्रदान के लिए आपादान से. Yeah. We got the gist.
Yeah, he was teaching.
Not everyone went to our same teacher.
He was teaching that. And I was not paying attention. Then he was like, तुम्हें आता है? तुम पढ़ाओ.
Yeah.
So then I went on the board and I taught क्योंकि मुझे आता था, मुझे genuinely आता
भाई
था.
वो कोई
And listen,
complicated नहीं था यार.
listen. Then he got, उसका male ego hurt हुआ.
Oh, बाप रे.
Of course.
पूछा भी तूने.
हर्ट भी तू ही हो रहा है.
He was like कि तुमको सब आता है ना, हद से रोज तुम ही पढ़ाओगे.
हाँ,
जब
फिर
तक तुम
free की
इस क्लास
salary
में हो,
लेंगे.
जब तक तुम इस क्लास में हो, मैं आऊंगा, बैठूंगा, कुछ नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा. And he actually did that for 1.5
और तू पढ़ा रही
months.
थी?
Yeah.
क्यों?
You were teaching?
But bro, you were not even getting paid. Are you
You
mad?
taken a salary.
No, I used to teach like my friends बाजू में बैठ
भाई
के
50-50 कर.
because आता था मेरे को क्या problem है. I generally didn't find it to be a big deal, but then one day my class teacher was like, Srushti, what happened? And then I told her, and then she was like, you know, he's like,
Whoa.
Yeah.
Bro, that school only was fucked in the head, man.
and then
School,
she
the
was like,
teachers, everything.
no, but our class teacher was very nice. She was like, you know that he's little.
Bro, that's not good on her part also to do that. If she thinks that, she should go report him.
Exactly. That's what I said.
There's this one old dude, Hindi old dude.
That's his problem.
I think they wanted to
shouldn't
keep
have.
him
They
for a
wanted
while.
a
Bro,
scapegoat.
come on, anybody can teach 10 standard Hindi. Let's be so
Literally.
fucking honest.
Story writing.
Letter writing.
Premchand.
Letter writing.
Letter.
But whatever it was,
God.
school, I feel, started giving girls insecurities. And
Yes.
today, you're standing as like a 20, 21-year-old woman with a most obscure insecurities. Because it's not like a lot of people think that girls have insecurities like, oh my god, my nose is too big. Oh my god, I think I need Botox. I don't think girls have insecurities like that. It is extremely specific.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, my nanny hated every single time that I wore earrings that were too heavy because my earlobes would hang.
Yeah.
And you know how much I like earrings.
Yeah.
So I never listened to her, but now my earlobes hang.
Hmm.
And that's an insecurity of mine because why are my earlobes hanging? It's the weirdest shit that gets girls insecure, and I don't think most people understand that.
Yeah,
I'm sure you
they
guys also have
very
like very not that I'm
generally-
asking you to share them, but we all know, like you guys listening, you all know.
Yeah, like most of the people will very generally make a comment.
Yeah.
But then they don't know like what we go through or like what might be our deepest darkest insecurity.
Yeah.
And that might be like the worst triggering point, and it's just like your first day, you're having a bad day, you're having a bad hair day, you can't put your eyeliner properly.
It's your first day.
And
It's your
this
first
one guy who will come and say something very stupid,
Yep.
it would not be even it would not even make sense.
Yeah.
But at that moment you will just
you're
break
so
down
enraged.
and
Now,
you
I'm
will
not
cry.
gonna say that I'm like immune to all of this. As humans, we obviously make conversations. Sometimes we do make observations about people's appearance. You don't know. I'm not saying I've not done it unknowingly to somebody. Obviously, knowingly, I don't want to hurt anyone.
Yeah,
It's not my
exactly.
intention.
True.
Yeah.
But all of us like do that at some point in our
Yeah.
lives, and maybe by mistake, maybe on purpose. God alone knows. But we're not immune to that. But the fact remains that insecurities are very not what people usually perceive it to
Right,
be.
right,
yeah.
Like there was a huge time on like TikTok. I remember people were wearing like underwear over their low-rise joggers.
Right.
And like
Okay.
there was
Oh,
one side
yeah.
that was like, oh my god, this is so hot. The other side is like, oh my god, I have hip dips.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
what
yeah.
the hell are hip dips? I looked it up. It's just like a ridge.
It's like a little
Where, like,
curve.
Love handles.
Love
Like,
handles.
no,
from
no,
your,
hip dips,
from your waist
when
to your
you're-
butt, the side,
Yeah.
it's like a,
It's not like
it's not
around.
like this. It's
It's
like a
like-
dip.
It's
Oh,
not like you
like
got
they know what we're
surgery.
talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Girls know.
Girls,
know.
Yeah.
And I'm like, fuck off. People are not insecure about. But the thing is that you never know.
Yeah, you never
So, you
know.
know, this
Yeah.
was an insecurity of mine. It no longer is, and I don't mind sharing it on the internet.
Okay.
But, okay, if you look at my arms, okay, there's this portion, which is like, there's a little bit fat here. And I used to find that as my biggest insecurity. And I stopped wearing like anything that was sleeveless or like, even like this, I wouldn't wear a top like this a few years back because of how it looked. And if it wasn't straight, like my arms weren't straight, I hated it.
Oh.
So like, even if you see it now, it's a little like there's a bump at the,
the
side,
way that
right?
I didn't even
Exactly.
fucking notice.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like
I just saw
no
it.
one
I
else
did
will
not
notice that. But to me, that was like, oh my god, I cannot have anyone notice that about me. When in fact, no one was looking
one
at
gave
it.
two
No
fucks
one
about
gave two
it.
fucks about it.
No one besides that one creepy teacher.
Oh my.
Yeah. But yeah, it's the weirdest things that we find insecure about ourselves. But then there's nothing you can do about it. But yeah,
It's just like,
Even if you
own it.
don't choose to deal with it, if you want to be insecure about it, I think it's your choice.
I feel like a good way
I
to.
wouldn't ask anyone to be like, no, get over it.
Yeah, no, of course. You
Yeah.
get over it on
Yeah.
your
On your own.
own terms,
And
and
it's a
whenever.
choice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Genuinely good way to get over it is just post your podcast on Reels and people will make fun of you and then be like, oh my god, yuck, this is so embarrassing. I have
Yeah.
stopped being insecure. Then people will make fun of you.
Yeah, no.
And you will stop caring.
Yeah,
Because
true.
at some point you do get desensitized.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
do.
you do.
Yeah.
It's like, okay, how many people will tell me this very specific thing about me that I've thought about for so many years? Like,
Yeah.
okay, nah.
Let's get over it and
This
get it.
one bump on your forehead that looks
Bro,
weird.
for me, the bullying
Okay.
started at home. Yeah,
Yeah,
this
bro.
it's very.
No, but for real, I agree with you, man.
Yeah.
I agree with you.
Yeah, when we got like almost 3 million views on that reel, station reel, and then I went and I told my parents I have like 3 million reels. The next day I was
3
sitting.
million reels.
I had like 3 million views. I'm so sorry. Next day I was sitting at home like this, and I had not even brushed my teeth, and then I was just
Ew.
sitting and watching TV. Just like woke up, and then she like 3 million views isko mile. And then she was like, अभी इसका वीडियो लेके डालती हूँ, इस पे और आएंगे views. And then I was like, जा रही हूँ brush करने.
नहीं उस पे और आते हैं views. I've never we have seen Srishti just wake up.
Yeah,
She doesn't look that bad, I feel.
Not as bad as me.
I remember once I was at a house party and in the morning, like at like 3 a.m. what you look like at a house party. And my friend was like, yeah, you really need to look in the mirror because you look like shit. I'm like, listen, it's 3 a.m. at a house party. I think I know what I look like. And I didn't look till I went home and I looked. Like once I got home, I was like,
I should have looked at it.
but it's okay. Like it was a very chill
No, but at
scene.
house parties, I feel like, you really need to like watch out because there are a lot of creepy people.
No, it was like a gathering. It was not a
Oh.
house party. It was a sleepover with
Oh,
my
because
friends.
because I've pretended to like know so many girls because I was getting creeped out by some guy.
Yeah.
Like I'd be at one corner of the room and then some random guy will decide that it's a great time to have a conversation about
Yeah.
what kind of which career am I pursuing?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah,
like,
this
yep.
is so interesting.
And then he'll somehow
yeah,
get
and
it
then
What
to...
are your hobbies? I'm sure you want to know that.
Are you from a like are you studying designing? Because your outfit is nice.
That's been said to you. It's so specific that I know it's been said. I know
Yeah.
it's authentic.
Yeah.
That's
And then they
She couldn't
somehow
make that up.
And then
As
they
an
somehow
example.
try to mansplain something to us and be like, "Oh, you think I didn't know that about
you think
myself?"
I fell out of a coconut?
Finally, yeah, you used it. And then these beautiful, amazing girls, they'll just come up to me like, "Oh, hi, how have you been? It's
yes,
been so long."
I
That's
love
why I love
when
women.
and you don't even know them.
Yeah.
But they just read your body language and
A
they're like,
vibe.
"Oh, she is getting uncomfortable.
I need to
She's
go."
my friend now. I'm gonna save her."
Yeah.
One thing about women, we catch vibes so quickly.
Yes, like
Yes.
it's like second nature to us.
Yeah, it's insane. You know that if a guy is
No,
not
not even a guy, just any person in general. Like even if
Yeah,
like one
true.
of y'all has made a new friend and and the
Oh,
other
yeah,
three
yeah.
gets in it, we will tell
For
you.
sure.
And it's almost right.
Even though
And you can't deny it.
even though the person who has made the new friend, they don't realize it in the moment. They're like, bro, give it a month at tops.
You will realize.
You're gonna see it. You can come back to us.
The way that has happened, like all of us, like
some
each,
point.
like at some point, like listen, Sanj, not gonna work out.
No, yeah.
So yeah, I really think like girls get off a vibe very quickly.
So quick.
And whenever I do, I run to the girls' washroom.
Oh, and then we all like following each other.
Always run to the
yeah.
girls'
Just a
washroom.
minute.
I've
Be
always
right
had
back.
I've
I'll be
always
right
had
back.
like my brothers and like my guy friends say कि तुम लोग साथ में क्यों वॉशरूम जाते हो?
अगर साथ में नहीं जाएंगे तो
मेरे को ये बोलना है.
प्लीज बोल और सब सुनो.
अंदर अलग पार्टी होती है
अलग ही पार्टी चल रही होती है.
पार्टी एक चीज है, but then who will do?
Who'll hold your bag? Who'll hold your...
Who will hold your hand while you're peeing?
Yep.
Who'll hold your head when
Neither.
you're puking?
I never vomited in a public washroom.
Me neither.
I have helped people
Okay.
vomit in public.
For sure, for sure.
Sanjana.
मेरी
Sanjana
माँ
is-
long story.
Sanjana has vomited in public. Not even public washroom. She vomited in the sea.
they'll think I took a ship to go to the sea and then pew.
No, we live on the shore, guys.
Okay, coming back. But yeah, I think the girls' bathroom is a second party. All in all. Like,
Yeah.
you can't compete. That's better than the main party.
There's a party. Dude.
she just had the biggest realization. yes! Bathroom chalo abhi.
There is
I've
one
gotten
party.
so many compliments in the girl washroom than the actual
No,
party.
for real.
Oh, you go there for compliments? I go there because
Susu.
there is one is party that's going on outside. And at the girls' washroom, there's party shorty.
Yes.
Like, not to be a Roshan Singh Sodi, but party shorty is more fun.
It's so much
so
more
much
We are
fun.
taking tap water shots and we're like getting lit. I'm
Yeah,
joking, but we
babe.
are touching up each other's makeup.
Makeup.
Yeah.
Touching up each other's makeup, fixing your boobs in your bra, fixing
Yeah.
your hair,
Checking your last outfit.
checking your last outfit, checking your booty if it looks
Yep.
bootylicious.
Bootylicious.
Yes.
All of that is just like in one
And
package.
it's not even like you-
corrections. If they need
I
any.
remember
All
I
of it.
once invited a girl on my birthday because I met her on Holi party.
Oh,
Yeah.
did she come?
No. But she texted me on my birthday. Hey,
Aw.
sorry I can't come, but like happy birthday.
Okay. Nice. I mean, I wouldn't come if I met you at Holi.
Real. She's not a girl's girl.
हाँ भाई ठीक है चलेगा हाँ so was I saying something forgot bathroom yeah very,
Getting ready
very-
is, I think, the highlight of.
Are you remember
I think
going
getting
out.
ready is the epitome of all girl friendships.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
it's
peak
झगड़ा हो रहा है ना
Big
तो भाई
girl.
साथ में तैयार हो जाओ.
हाँ.
हाँ,
This
सब
is-
sort हो जाता
You
सब
want
sort हो
you want the
जाएगा.
blush.
Yeah.
Fine, take
You want me
it.
to help you?
take it.
I don't think that's your color, but
Yeah.
let me
We'll
help
try
you.
Wait.
Sanjana, you are not one to speak,
What?
baby girl.
What
This
did
is
I
not
say?
your color.
No, I mean,
The
yeah.
thing is, a little known fact about Besharam and us. We used to have a different studio a couple of episodes ago.
Yes.
And over there we had one washroom. And the way that we have crammed,
It's
and
just
I hope that we
on
have
the
some
sound
was pretty
pictures.
big. Huh?
Yeah, the washroom was great.
It was great.
I hope we have some pictures to like just add here.
होगा भाई होगा.
Dude,
Hoga.
the fucking vibe, like these people that is behind the camera right now, they used to be
Our
like
team.
fed up. They'd be like, ये आधे घंटे से क्या कर रहे हैं? And then there was this one shoot that we did. It was like over 14 hours of just us shooting 5 different looks we have changed.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that day was crazy.
And do not even ask me. Okay, this is a blessing and a curse. Being the quote unquote best at makeup in the group.
Yeah, no, you are.
Fucking
You
hell.
are, babe.
I have done everybody's makeup.
She was our Moa that time.
I was their Moa.
She
I did a decent job.
All 3 looks सबका अलग अलग.
Yeah.
But
सबका
मैंने
अलग-अलग.
तुझे सबसे कम परेशान किया है ना.
Yeah, because you know makeup, no.
कितना validation चाहिए तुझे मैं देती हूँ तेरे को यार.
Sanjana and I would like before doing every step we're like,
Uh,
this
Zia.
is good.
Zia.
Zia, can you help me?
तूने आज
मैं
भी
आज नहीं किया.
मैंने भी. You did my makeup no, today.
Exactly.
Zia, this brush
Or
This color? No.
No.
Can you
Which
please do my
lipstick?
base?
All of that, everything.
Can you please do my base will be the fucking end of me. I swear to God.
That's
Write
me.
that on my tombstone.
That's me.
Can you please do my base?
I will horror you.
You will horror me or you will haunt me.
Haunt.
इतना डरा दिया और ही करेगा.
Horror Story 3.
What?
Oh, that's a story.
Horror
story बन
इसका
जाएगा.
Rolex moment आ गया.
Don't you cherry cause.
Where were you, man?
You want me to touch up?
Coming back.
I will haunt you for that.
No, you'll
forgot
horror.
doing my bass.
Happening. But I always do your bass. What do you mean?
I
मतलब मरने के बाद भी
मरने के
चाहिए.
बाद भी.
Oh, you don't think I can outlive you?
No, we'll die together, babe.
Die together, actually. Good plan.
Very good.
God's plan. God's plan.
Copyright.
Copyright.
Drake from India.
Ishwar's plan.
ये
I'm telling you, Indian brain rot is a level apart.
We are this close to getting cancelled.
No, we
this
say
fucking.
anything
What is
bad.
wrong in Yeshu? Yeshu is Jesus.
It's a meme. It's a meme. You don't know मेरा यश. एक अनंत अंबानी का वीडियो था. वो अपनी शादी में नाच रहा था. किसी ने ये गाना डाल दिया. मेरे यशु.
I don't know that.
मैंने देखा था एक वीडियो अनंत अंबानी की शादी का. वो नाच रहा था और वो गाना लगाया था. एक मोटा हाथी चलने गया.
उसको हर वीडियो में मोटा.
Why are you fat shaming him? He has a
पिछले वीडियो में भी
मैंने देखा. मैंने वो वीडियो देखा यार.
तू
Don't
गर्ल
support.
नहीं है.
Do not
Boys
support.
girl भी नहीं है.
तू बॉयज तू गर्ल ही नहीं है. तू लड़का.
आज से तू लड़का.
Oh my god.
इतनी चुभने लगी हूँ मैं.
क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ.
Please. We want to be done.
Yeah.
मेरे यशु. Sorry.
बोलने लगी. पहले क्या की? बिल्कुल नहीं बोलती थी.
अब क्या करती है?
बोलने लगी.
मेरा यसू.
बस. End it. Literally, our stomachs are hurting, laughing at all of this. I hope you guys liked our impersonation of memes, I guess.
Yes.
Oh, if we keep any of them in, if we don't, then just know that we did them and you guys missed out.
Yeah.
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 No, but if you guys genuinely can relate to the stuff that we are talking about, if you guys share similar stories from your convent school, then you can always DM us. You can comment down.
Not
on
just
the
convent
video.
school, just school in
Just
general.
schools in
We
general,
want to
yeah.
know a perspective from a co-ed school.
Oh,
'Cause
yeah.
we-
Girl from a
genuinely,
co-ed school.
genuinely, a girl from a co-ed school.
Please share your experiences.
Please share your
Please.
experience.
We are really
definitely
love to
get
react to
it
this.
out.
We should get a guest from a co-ed school and have a part 2.
Oh,
Yeah.
for sure.
And just like
For
talk
sure,
about
for
her
sure.
experiences in a co-ed school.
For
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah. We should also do
Yeah.
a girl talk with a guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That could be part 3.
That's like multiple versions of this. If you want to see them, let us know in the comments.
And let us know
Yeah.
what you want us to talk about.
And
Yeah.
don't forget to share this video with your girl best friends, or if you have sisters or your girlfriends
Or your mom.
or your mom or your grandmom, anyone.
Anyone.
I wouldn't suggest that, but okay.
Of course, send it to your grandma. If she's
Send
cool.
it.
She's a cool
She'll watch it.
grandmom. She's a cool G.
So
yeah.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like,
Share.
share, comment, and subscribe to Besharam. And also follow us on Instagram at We Are Besharam. And for those of you listening on any of the audio streaming platforms, don't forget to follow us on there as well.
We'll
We'll
love
take your
you.
leave now.
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.